Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to Online Kids. Shall we begin today? Children, what we learned last class? Yes, in the last class, we are learning about wild animals. I hope you are studied that. Today, we are going to learn about domestic animals. You know, what are the domestic animals? Some animals can live and grow in our home. They are called domestic animals. They are very close to us. We give to them special food, special shelter, like that. Today, I will show the flashcard of some domestic animals. Are you ready, children? Okay. Look, children, you know which animal is this? This is cat. Many people can keep cat as our pet. Cat catches the rat. This is cat. Look, children, you know which animal is this? This is dog. Dogs are man's best friend. Dog guards our home. Dogs are very intelligent. This is dog. You know which animal is this? This is goat. We get meat and milk from goat. Goat like to eat grass and plants only. This is goat. Okay, children. Which animal is this? This is cow. Cow gives us milk. Cows are there in different colors. The milk of the cow is used to make many dairy products such as ghee, butter, curd, like that. This is cow. Which animal is this? This is rabbit. Rabbits are very beautiful. The favorite food is the carrot. Rabbit eat carrot, grass and leaves only. This is rabbit. You know which animal is this? This is camel. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Camels are usually found in desert area. This is camel. Next one is that, you know, which animal is this? Yes, this is duck. Duck gives us egg and meat. Duck can swim in the water. Duck eat small fishes and frogs. This is duck. What is this, children? This is hen. Hen gives us egg and meat. This is hen. Which animal is this? This is sheep. Sheep gives us wool. This wool used to make woolen cloth. Sheep also like to eat grass. Sheep. This is sheep. You know, which animal is this? This is horse. Horse can run very fast. This is horse. Okay, children. Today, we are learning about the domestic animals. Kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.